Good morning, folks. My name's Lonnie.Bowers, coming to you from Junction City at Guaranty RV Supercenters. Beautiful day. Thanks for coming. I'm going to be showing you this 2021 Coachmen Catalina. It's a new model this year, the 30 THS. Has a rear garage. It's like a separated garage, but then again, it's not. It has double entry. The garage is in the rear, but it's an open floor plan. You have a center kitchen and a front bedroom. This vehicle is equipped with Asdel in the walls. Takes the place of your wood product inside the walls, keeps you from getting any kind of condensation in the walls from your propane heat. That's a big deal when you're owning an RV, because condensation in the walls is what creates your delamination and mildew and rot like that. This coach will not get that because of the Asdel. You don't typically get that unless you spend a lot more money in some of the more expensive coaches out there. But Coachmen does this in all of their products. Gives you better value for your money. As you walk in this coach, folks, the first thing you're going to notice is a slide-out kitchen on your right on the opposing side. That's new for the Catalina this year. That's part of what makes this floor plan so special. You also will notice when you look to your left that you have a full open garage. This is about 14 and a half feet. Gives you plenty of room for a side-by-side. You have your electric couches on either side that you can fold out into one or two different smaller beds, or one full queen size bed. You also have the bed up above that's a king size that comes down. This has a party deck with a roll down screen to keep the bugs out at night. It also has the party deck railing, which is nice. Nice big windows you'll notice in this coach. It brings lots of light in. To your right as you walk in the door, not only are you going to see that kitchen, but you're going to see a quite large bathroom with double entry from the bedroom up front that has its own entry door from the outside, and from the rear area through the kitchen has a separate door into the bathroom. You've got a king size bed in the bedroom up front with storage underneath. You got hanging storage on either side of the bed and nice deep cabinets above the bed. This is a really nice coach for the money. You've got solid surface countertops. The price point is extremely well priced in the market for a toy hauler of this size with a nice big slide out. You have also have two recliner rockers in the front here in the living area, and storage above those as well. Thanks again, folks, for coming. Appreciate you clicking on this video and allowing me to show you this unit. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me on my direct line at area code 458-210-4130. Thanks again so much for coming, and I appreciate your time, and I hope to hear from you soon.